welcome to Tech Date. Let's dive into our today's problem, double number represented as a linked list. It says we are given a head of non-empty linked list representing the non-negative integer without deleting zeros. We need to return the head of the linked list after doubling it. So the output should also be a linked list. So we have given 189. The answer should be 378 in form of linked list. So we might need to reverse it because 9 will have the corresponding 18, 1 carry, 8 and 8 16, 1 carry plus 17, 1 carry 1 double 2, 2 plus 1 carry 3, so we ran it to 378. So let's just add a corresponding function to double it. So we'll have a function which will say how to reverse this linked list. So let's use the iterative way. We have the head, which is my current, and then we'll also define a previous pointer which is currently null, and my next pointer which is currently the current dot next. So we can say while I have something in my next, I need to say the current dot next will be the previous. We shift that pointer. Now my previous is current and my current will be the next pointer, and my next dot the next will be the corresponding next dot next. Once this is done, my current dot next will be previous, so I have that linkage. Then I can return this current pointer, so this will give me the corresponding list, and then I can just verify if my reversing is working fine. So here we have 189, we are turning 981, which is fine. So now let's just call this as our new head. While head is not null, we can say can capture the corresponding value, which is the head dot value. We can double this value, and we need to keep track of a carry. Let's say by default the carry was 0, and let's do our computation which will this value plus our carry, and then our carry will be this, and our compute will become the corresponding remainder that we need to add to the list. So we need to create a corresponding node. Let's call it this list node with this compute value, and its next will be this temporary. So let's create a corresponding temporary which is currently null. So we are creating the linked list in the reverse fashion, and post that we'll update this t. And once the computation is done, if my carry is not 0, I need to repeat the same with the corresponding carry, and then I can return my node, temporary node, and we need to update the corresponding head pointer, which is this head dot next. Let's run it. So it's not keeping track of the carry, looks like. So we return 18 and then 6 and then 2. Carry should be equal to the compute part by 10, not the carry by 10. So this is fine. Now we need to maybe validate it against one test case. Let's say if there is no carry at all, so it should be 200. Yep, this is working fine. Let's hit submit. Okay, this works. It's 100%. Thank you.